Before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to the channel, check the links in the description for the best available deals, and drop a comment with your experience or questions about car power inverters. Now let me ask you this, have you ever been on a road trip, camping adventure, or even just sitting in your car when your laptop dies, your phone won't fast charge, or you realize you can't power a simple household device? That frustration is exactly why choosing the right car power inverter matters. And today, I'm counting down 5 solid options that can turn your vehicle into a reliable mobile power station, helping you pick the one that actually fits your needs instead of wasting money on the wrong wattage. Starting at number 5, the EPANEE 400W power inverter is designed to convert DC 12V power from your car battery into AC 110V household power, delivering up to 400 watts of continuous output. It features dual AC outlets along with USB ports, allowing you to power multiple devices at the same time, whether that's a laptop, small appliance, or charging phones and tablets. The inverter includes built-in protection systems for overload, overheating, short circuit, and low voltage, helping to keep both your devices and your vehicle safe during use. Its compact housing and cooling fan are built to manage heat effectively during extended operation. In real-world use, the EPANEE 400W inverter is a dependable choice for drivers who need moderate power without going overboard. It's especially useful for road trips, remote work from a vehicle, or emergency situations where you need reliable power for essentials. It runs quietly, feels solidly built for its class, and handles everyday electronics with ease. This inverter is best for casual users who want dependable performance without the complexity of higher wattage systems. The only real drawback is that 400 watt Wadibanda, Waterbon and Mon, Waterbon Wanda, Waterdon defats, Waterbon Downbrenderer Dobrer, Waterbody Bon, See Stalber Bon, Waterpusin Wan, Letter Bard Bun, larger appliances, but for everyday devices it remains a smart buy. At number 4, the POTEK 5000W power inverter is a heavy-duty unit built for serious power demands. It is rated to deliver up to 5,000 watts, converting 12V DC to 110V AC, and is designed to handle high-powered tools and appliances. This inverter includes multiple AC outlets, a robust aluminum housing for durability, and advanced protection features including overload, overvoltage, undervoltage, and thermal shutdown. Large cooling fans are integrated to maintain stable performance under high loads. What sets the POTEK 5000W inverter apart is its sheer power capacity, making it suitable for off-grid setups, RVs, work trucks, and emergency backup situations. It's ideal for users who need to run power tools, heavy-duty equipment, or multiple appliances at once. In practical terms, this inverter is built for professionals or serious off-grid users who know exactly what they need. The downside is that it's bulky and requires proper installation, but for high-demand users, the power it delivers more than justifies it. Coming in at number 3, the ProChaser 400W power inverter offers a compact and efficient way to power everyday electronics on the go. It converts 12V DC to 110V AC with a 400-watt continuous output and includes dual AC outlets and USB charging ports. The inverter is equipped with intelligent protection features such as overheat protection, overload protection, and short-circuit prevention. Its lightweight design and built-in cooling fan help ensure stable operation while keeping noise levels low. The ProChaser 400W inverter stands out for its balance between portability and performance. It's a great option for commuters, travelers, and students who need to charge laptops, cameras, or small gadgets while driving. It's easy to use, plugs directly into a car's power source, and doesn't demand any technical setup. This inverter is best for people who want a simple, reliable solution for daily use. Its minor limitation is that it's not meant for power-hungry devices, but within its range it performs consistently well. At number 2, the BESTEK power inverter is one of the most popular compact inverters available, known for its efficient design and reliable output. It converts 12V DC to 110V AC and typically provides multiple AC outlets along with USB ports for fast charging. The unit includes built-in smart cooling fans and comprehensive protection against overheating, overloading, and short circuits. Its compact, lightweight body is designed for easy storage and portability. What makes the BESTEK inverter shine is its user-friendly design and proven reliability. It's perfect for frequent travelers, families on road trips, or anyone who wants a trusted brand powering their electronics. In real-world scenarios, It delivers stable power and handles multiple devices without stress. This inverter is best for users who value convenience, safety, and brand reputation. The only small downside is that it prioritizes portability over raw power, but for most users, that's a fair trade. Taking the top spot at number 1, the Nilight 300W power inverter offers a compact yet capable solution for everyday mobile power needs. It converts 12V DC to 110V AC with a 300-watt output and includes AC outlets along with USB charging ports. The inverter features built-in protection against overvoltage, overheating, and short circuits, and its durable housing is designed to withstand regular use. A quiet cooling system helps maintain consistent performance during operation. The Nilight 300W inverter earns the number 1 spot because it delivers exactly what most drivers need in a simple, affordable, and reliable package. It's perfect for charging laptops, phones, cameras, and small electronics during commutes or long trips. Its compact size makes it easy to store, and its performance is impressively stable for its wattage. This inverter is best for everyday drivers who want dependable power without complexity. While it won't run larger appliances, it excels at what it's designed to do. To wrap things up, the right car power inverter can completely change how useful your vehicle is, whether you're traveling, working remotely, or preparing for emergencies. From compact daily use options to serious high-power solutions, these 5 inverters stand out because they deliver real-world performance where it counts. If this video helped you narrow down your choice, make sure to subscribe to the channel, check the description links for the best deals, and share your thoughts or experience in the comments. Your feedback helps the channel grow, and it helps other viewers make smarter buying decisions.